Last time we created routes using vehicle route problem solver, and then in this video, in this exercise, we'll add 3 road closures, 3 barriers. Each road closure will prevent travel along the previously generated route. So we'll input those barriers and update our vehicle routes as well. If you don't have the data, then get those data, and this time let's go to create barriers and open this project file. Here we have the previous works, and some small modifications are made as well. Actually, let me close the unnecessary files. This was the old one. You can save that or not. Okay, so we are mainly concerned about this create barriers file. Here you can see the barriers. Here's a festival going on in this area. We're using a polygon barrier, and here's a point barrier, an accident, right? And you can also have other line barriers. So how does those barriers affect our route? We'll see that. For that, let's first set up the basic inputs. If you like we did in the previous exercise, let's practice that again. Go to analysis and network analysis. Then under network analysis, we will be selecting vehicle routing problem. Once you click that, then ArcGIS Pro will automatically generate some templates for solving vehicle routing problem, and then we'll have the VRP layer contextual menu as well. Then go to import orders. There we'll be importing the orders. It's in input layer stores. That's our orders. Apply. Then you can click import depots, and depots are our warehouse. Apply. Then we need our routes. So input layer we have, not from the vehicle routing problem, but from input layer slash delivery routes. Apply. So that's our routes as well. Now what about the barriers? These barriers are not in our vehicle routing problem already. So how do we add it? It's right here, like we added some lessons ago. Import point barriers. If you click that, then we can add the point barrier. Our barrier is in barrier layers slash point barriers, and click apply. So in this way we can add the point barriers. Then how about adding line and polygon barriers? For that, you can simply go to the drop down menu and click line barriers, then select input from barrier layers, line barriers, and apply. Then again go to polygon barriers. If you want polygon barriers, then go there, and then barrier layers, polygon barriers, apply. So successfully we have imported all the data. We have prepared our data for using all the barriers and input data, right? So let's see how will it affect the route or not once we have created these barriers. Let's see. Let's run it. Run the vehicle routing problem solver tool, and let's see. Let's compare with the last vehicle route. You see, the new route is now avoiding the point barrier location. Also, it's avoiding the polygon barrier, and it's also avoiding the line barrier if there was any. I'm not sure if there are any line barriers actually. Let's see in the attribute table if there are. Okay, there was one line barrier. Let's zoom to that layer and see. Okay, so that's our line barrier. Last time in our old route, the vehicle was going through the area, but now we have specified it as a barrier, then it's skipping that area and going another route, shortest route as well. So you can go to direction again, and you see, you don't see the vehicle routing problem here layer, right? Once you click, then it appears. Okay, go to direction and show direction, and you can navigate through this like we did in the previous video. Let's save our project, and I'll see you next time.